The desktop shari maker ASM730CE. This rice and vinegar mixer is a high-performance desktop machine which provides the same set of operations as larger machines. The rice and vinegar mixer ASM730CE adopts a new method of mixing rice using a cradle-like motion and a uniquely shaped bar. First, apply Autex to the directed parts. Turn on the power switch. Select the operation course by pressing one of the course keys. The machine can hold up to 4 different operation courses. Choose one of them. Put newly cooked rice into the drum bowl. Pour sushi vinegar on the rice. Press the operation switch. Then just wait for it to finish. Press this emergency button in case of an emergency. The machine will stop operations immediately. The drum is light and releases quickly. It is also easy to clean as you can move the drum itself to the sink to clean it. Newly developed resin without Teflon is used for the drum, and this leads to saving on running cost. As an option, drum covers are provided to prevent contamination. The desktop shari maker ASM730CE is suitable for small amounts for side orders and is a user-friendly machine allowing anyone to make high-quality shari.